this is an integral and we want to solve it. So taking a look at it, you don't want to think of the most difficult thing you could possibly do, like trig substitution or parts or something like that. I mean, the best thing and easiest to do, that's only squared, is to square this out and then divide each term by x squared, and then it becomes something really straightforward, something you can use the power rule on. So I'm just going to do a little bit of algebra, because it's not hard algebra. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 divided by x squared dx. Now, according to the rules of algebra, I can rewrite this as x squared over x squared minus 6x over x squared plus 9 over x squared dx. Continuing to simplify, that simplifies to 1 dx minus 6 times the integral of 1 over x dx plus 9 times the integral of 1 over x squared dx. Using the sum and difference rule, taking out the constant multipliers. Now, the only one that I can't take the derivative or integral of right away is this one. I do want to write it differently, but I will integrate 1 dx is x minus 6 times the integral of 1 over x is natural log of the absolute value of x plus 9 times the integral of x to the minus 2 dx. I always write it that way because then I can use my power rule. The integral of x to the n is equal to, or dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. I want to use that. Plus c, of course. Keeping up to finish, x minus 6 natural log of the absolute value of x plus 9 times, okay, so I'm going to take x to the minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. If you kind of are nervous whether or not you can, I'm not joking here and I'm not trying to be snide. If you're nervous about whether or not you're adding or subtracting properly, write it down like that. It's not going to kill you. So that leaves me with x minus 6 natural log of absolute value of x plus 9 times x to the minus 1 divided by minus 1. And then one last, plus c. I should have a plus c here too. One last step to make everything look nice and finish it off. X minus 6 natural log of the absolute value of x minus 9 over x plus c. Remember, x to the minus 1 is 1 over x, and that negative makes that negative right there. And we are done.